Hello, welcome to this BaconBits video on nesting static and dynamic groups. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to merge groups together and how to create an exclusion group. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at our groups here. In my groups, I've created an exclusion group for unmanaged VMs. So let's say we have like a lab scenario and these VMs don't need to be patched up, so I can kind of ignore them whenever I'm doing patching. I want to use this group of endpoints, and I want to pull these endpoints out of another group I'll create for patching. So if I go to my endpoints table, and let's say I want to make a group just for Windows devices that I can patch. So I'll choose my OS platform as Windows. And then out of this group, I want to pull out those lab VMs that don't actually need to be patched or managed in Bacon. So now I can also add a filter for group. I can choose a not equals by clicking this equal sign, and then add that unmanaged lab VM. So now you can see my group will contain all the Windows platforms, or excuse me, all the Windows devices, excluding those unmanaged lab VMs. And so from here, you can go to Actions and create a dynamic group. This can be my new Windows patching group. Now, when it comes to merging groups, that's also very simple. So let's say I have a bunch of different groups for a specific site, or in this case, use cases. Let's say if I want to mix the IT group here and the reception group, I can do that very simply. So again, on my endpoints table, I'll change up my filters a bit here, and we'll grab a group that is equal to global IT. And we'll add another one for global reception. Alright, so I've now encompassed all the global IT endpoints as well as all the global reception endpoints. And I can go on to create another dynamic group and name this global reception. Hope so I can spell it. Reception and ID. And so now you know how to mix and match different groups to achieve certain goals. Keep in mind this can be used in clever ways like filtering for groups or endpoints who do or don't have a specific kind of software to get an idea of how well your software deployment's going. Thanks for joining us in this BaconBits video, and we'll see you next time.